Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, take care.
question for you. How old were you when you became a millionaire?
I know you!
Yeah?
I was 23.
Are you an entrepreneur?
Yes.
How long have you been a business owner?
6 years now?
Do you think I can interview you for a minute for the channel real quick? Is that cool?
Yes, I would love
Make it
to.
happen?
Let's do it.
Awesome. What was the turning point to becoming an entrepreneur?
I left Saudi Arabia when I was 18. My dad called me and he's like, I know you're 18, but I can't send you money anymore because his business was failing. He was also an entrepreneur. And when your back is against the wall, you always end up figuring it out. So I don't pray on anyone for their back to be against the wall, but it is probably the biggest blessing. Like when you have no way out, you make a way no matter what.
Did you hit rock bottom?
Yes, because I was literally 18, going to university. I had to work 2-3 jobs to provide for me and my family as 18. For someone that lived in Saudi where the culture is women don't work, so suddenly I'm working all these jobs trying to figure out why I had even a broken English. So that's why I always tell women there's no reason why you couldn't make it in this life. Broken English, background this, family this, whatever your past is, take that, take all the lessons and use it to just make a lot of money.
What was the most amount of money that you made in a single year?
It will be this year.
How much?
We're on track to make 20 million, me and my business partners.
Are you serious?
Yes.
20 mil?
I know. I know.
That's incredible. Like, how did you scale from a $1 to a $10 million company?
The most important thing is hire people that are better than you in your company. Because I don't know it all. And I know I don't know it all. I'm not the smartest. But you know what happens to the smartest people? They're always the brokest. Why? Because smart people, they're overthinking, overanalyzing. They need it to be perfect. And when you want something to be perfect, there's someone half your talent, half your luck, half your intelligence already making moves and making millions because they're faster. They're bolder. They figure it out along the way. Most people want to have all the plan before they move. Just move. You will figure everything in the doing. It's not in the thinking.
That's why they always say that the A students always end up working for the C students.
Yeah, I was a C student.
Did you have anybody that doubted you?
Everyone. Middle Eastern women are more like, just have kids, sit at home. That was the culture that I was in. Obedience is what I was taught my whole life. Just be obedient. Listen to the man. Like your little voice, be quiet. But the side of me that rebelled is what made me successful and free.
So you're good at selling?
Oh, if it's one thing to make you rich as a woman, sales, branding. You will never be broke. If you have a brand, you'll never be broke. Everyone's literally throwing opportunities at you. Like, please do this with me. Please speak here. Please sell this.
So give me $1 million worth of branding advice right here.
People are not nice anymore on social media. They don't give chances anymore. So if you want to blow up on social media and you want people to respect you, 2 things. Number 1, they're not going to give you a chance to make sure whatever you're saying in the first 3 seconds is going to trigger them. And sometimes that could be as something positive that you're going to say or negative. But the hook, the first 3 seconds, is more important than the video. If you look at my Instagram reels, the first 3 seconds is when people like. They don't even watch the full video. Then another thing is always giving perspective shifts. If you're someone that says something that is maybe controversial or maybe it's not the normal or what people are used to listening, if you give perspective shifts on why you believe whatever you believe, people are going to respect it, even if they don't believe it. And then you can charge high prices for whatever you charge.
Some of the best branding advice that I ever heard was that the best personal brands are superheroes because they fundamentally stand for and against something. You have to be willing to die on that hill that you're making content.
You have to polarize.
Right.
You have to polarize.
Controversy is not a bad
now,
thing. Yeah.
You have to be hated. Look at the most successful people. Elon Musk hated, Trump hated, Andrew Tate hated, Kim Kardashian hated. But then there is that other side that people love them and adore them for whatever they do. Whether you like them or not, they're successful, they're billionaires for a reason.
And they're not rich, they're wealthy.
Yes. The more heat you can get as an entrepreneur, the more successful you're going to get. Right. If you don't want heat, you don't want the people talking about you, I think just working a job is nice.
Right. You got amazing advice. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate that. It was great to meet you.
So nice meeting you. Keep crushing it. One thing about you, your consistency is unheard of. And I love that. And I already know the billionaire status is happening because people our age, they're not doing it like that. They're not consistent. So I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.